dirty shit. Used to make a white dirt. I'm straight up at that dirty beat and I go Pontiac G6.
Alright, it's a I think it's an 08 Pontiac G6 doing the alternator swap. So to change this, it's not hard at all. Disconnect the battery first. You got a bolt right here, which is this one. Then you got two bolts. I don't know if I can get it in there. You see one bolt goes right there. Another bolt goes right there. So after you take them two bolts out, make sure you disconnect this harness and disconnect this this ground. And once you take all the bolts out, it'll come right out. All with the old and with the new. Hold that for me, sir. Heat that in a little bit. Yeah, it's a trick for y'all who can't get the alternator in. You gotta move that over. You see what I'm saying? We do this shit. Not the easiest way.
Dirty shit. Used to make a white dirt. I'm straight up at that dirty beat and I go Pontiac G6.